Here am I here from my Camera Girl, where today we're playing Work at a Pizza Place. And yeah, I can speak again because my throat is all better. And yeah, so let's see. We have to pick a job. And there's my house. I want to be a cook. Oh, yes, I must cook. Okay, so we don't need a freaking tutorial because no, I don't want it. Yes. Okay, so let's take all that moolah. Precious moolah. Okay. I'm making the last pizza first. No! No. My pizza. My pizza. My pizza. Stop it! What? Hey! What are you doing? Okay, I don't like. Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna go. Sorry. Okay, so apparently. Okay, so I see a lot of people. I like trolling. Yo, bro, you just got trolled. Dang it! Okay. Wait, where does she go? Oh, these two are twins. That's cool. But anyway, guys, let's pick a different job because I like pizza. Okay, so two pizzas to a house. Okay, we can't deliver pizza without painting our car. Okay, that's not the color I wanted. There we go. And we have to turn this part white, and the wheels white, and the frickin' seat white, and the wheel white. There we go. Okay, now let's go. So we're in the car. Yeah, you guys probably know that. I'm not gonna be as specific because Johnny apparently needs me to stop being so specific. Isn't that right, Johnny? I know you're watching this. But okay, so there's C1. Okay, so C3 is like right there. Ah! I did! Ah. Okay, guys, I admit it. I did not get my driver's license. Okay, here's your pizza. Oh. Here's your second pizza. This is a big freaking pizza. Okay, here's your other pizza. What the? What? Okay, first it was a guy with blue hair. Then I'm confused. Okay, you know what? I'm done. Goodbye. Goodbye. These people are crazy. But okay, so we have to go back to the freaking pizza place and get another job because I don't want to be. Oh my god. Because I don't want to be a delivery person. Why? See, guys, like I said, I did not get my driver's license. I believe I could drive. No, I don't. I parked. That's good enough. Okay, no, it's not. No. Excuse me. No, it's not. Why is there a noob here? Can I touch it? Okay, apparently I can't. I'm not gonna deliver that pizza. I want to be I was manager yesterday. No, delete, go away. Okay, thank God. Okay, so 5 people already hate her. Okay, so apparently I already did. So let's go see what jobs are. Okay, is there not anyone at the cashier? Because apparently there's not. Guys. Yeah, I just stole that guy's order. I like trolling people. Okay. Excuse me, sir. Okay, what kind of you wanna? Okay, you want a Mountain Dew? There you go. There you go. So we just took some orders. Sorry, I'm being too specific, Johnny. Oh, someone else just came. Let me. Oh, nice to see you. What can I get you for ya? I don't know what I just said. So just have a freaking Mountain Dew. Okay, here's a person. Hi, person. Hi, what can I get you? You want okay. A lot of people are wanting Mountain Dews. I won't judge them. I actually. Never mind. No. I said too much. Guys. I said way too much. Okay, yo. Okay, fine. Have it your way. Another person. Hello. What kind of pizza would you like? Oh my god. Why do all these people want so many freaking Mountain Dews? Right. Okay, finally, this guy actually wants, well, this girl actually wants pizza. Okay, guys, so I'm talking to the manager. I'm asking her to give me a bonus, but she's writing tags, and she's telling me that I'm writing tags, so I'm just gonna tell her never mind. Excuse me. Well, she was checking on. Okay, whatever. Yeah, we get paid. Okay, so dang it. I thought we could go inside, but apparently we cannot. Man, I kind of wish the window was still here, because in like the older version, there was a window here. So, okay. So a person is okay, no, I'm gonna, I quit. Okay, you know what, yeah. I quit. That's it, I quit. Actually, I think I'm gonna buy something. I am going to get mousy ears. Yay! Okay, how do I put it on? Oh my god. Oh, I can remove my hats. Yo. Okay, so I can remove my hats. Wait, let's go back to the... I really want the anime hair, so in order to get that, we're gonna have to do some work. Okay. This might take a while with my short legs. Guys, I'm mad because the manager just quit her job and I had an opportunity to get that job, but I lost it. So now, okay guys, 1 second, the battery's dying. So, guys, I'm back. So, let's see. So, the manager will not open the door. Because she's right there. Okay, you know what, guys? I'm just gonna go be a supplier, just cause. Okay, just cause. What happened to Excuse me. Okay, excuse me. Okay, so anyway, what happened to my car? I didn't fix my car. Okay, I just made my whole freaking car white. No! There we go. Bye! Whee! Ooh, can I run the man? Okay, I was about to run the manager over. Because it was fun. I like running. I like to run my managers over. And that is myself. Okay, move. Move, you. Hey! Told you to move. Okay, I'm loving my mouse ears. Like, I'm not even lying. Oh my god! A car crash. It did. Okay, guys, you know what? I'm gonna have to end this video here, and I'm gonna make a part 2. So please like and subscribe and comment down below on what you think. And I hope you enjoyed this video. So goodbye. And what is this guest doing?